Greetings, Dennis Daniels here. Let's talk a little bit about
order of operations, especially in this case, absolute values. Remember, PEMDAS is the order of operations, parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction. But in this case, we're talking about absolute values. And absolute values can be tricky, and they're simple at the same time. Let's take this one, for example. Negative 8 plus 1. What are your answers? You could say, well, negative 8 plus 1 would be, could be 9, right? Because you're supposed to everything neutral value, which means more or less positive, so that would mean 9. Or do you do the order of operation within these lines? And that's the answer. In fact, the absolute values act a little bit like parentheses, so you do everything inside the parentheses first. So this is actually not 9, it is in fact negative 7, because you're working in the parentheses category. But then the absolute value symbols takes over, so the answer is in fact 7. Can be a little confusing, but that is the answer. So keep that in mind when you're looking at order of operation problems, especially in absolute values. Thank you.
and let's take a look at what Wolfram Alpha has to say about that. Right here, there's the calculation, or the problem, and the input is there, and the result is 7. Now let's take a look and see if Wolfram Alpha, now look at all these other alternative representations. Fascinating. Let's take a look at what it has to say about absolute values, if anything. Oh wait, let's try define. It likes it to be specific. So we're going to define absolute values. Nope, doesn't know what it is. Okay. Alright, thanks for watching, and happy computing.